In this video, we will try to create the program by using the namespace functionality in the C#.NET. So for that, let me create the one file. Let's say namespace demo. So here, let me remove everything. First of all, make it this is empty file. And now let's create the namespace. So namespace is the container, logical container you can say, which is useful for to organize the your code. In this video, we are going to create the multiple classes, multiple different classes. All these classes we are going to make it into the single wrapper that's called the namespace. So for that, for preparing the namespace, we have to use the namespace keyword in the C#.NET. After that, you have to give the name of this namespace. For that, I'm giving to the name like all files. Then you have to create the one block for the namespace. So in this block, you are going to organize the different classes in this program. So right now I'm going to create the one class that is the Excel files. Right? The same way I'm going to create the one more class that is the PowerPoint files or PDF files, you can say Word document files or anything. Right now I'm taking the PowerPoint files and I'm taking the one more class that is the Word document files. Right? The same every class, let me create the file name. For that, public string file name is equal to, here as of now Excel file name I'm taking the accounting. The same way here also I'm taking the one more file name, but here I'm taking the hrworks.pptx file, and the Word document I'm going to take the one more file name for the Word document. For this resume. So in this way I'm taking the different classes. All those classes I'm going to make it into the one single wrapper, that's the all files. So in this way I have designed the all my classes into the proper structure by using the namespace. That namespace is the all files.